According to statistics, Python is the second most popular programming language in the world. There are more than 600,000 Python jobs in the world, which makes up to 20% of all programming jobs. Even though Python is more than 30 years old, it still doesn't lose its popularity. Why you should earn Python in 2024. 1. Beginner friendly. 1. Python is a programming language that is widely known for being beginner friendly. One of the main reasons why Python is considered easy to learn is its simple syntax. 2. Another reason why this language is beginner friendly is its versatility. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, from Python web development to data analysis and machine learning. 3. Python also has many resources, such as online tutorials, video courses, and interactive coding platforms. 2. Well supported. Python has a vast and active community of developers, and is known for being friendly, welcoming, and supportive. You can find support in social media groups and online forums, regardless of the language that you speak. 3. Flexible. 1. One of the main reasons why Python is so flexible is its extensive library of modules and packages. These libraries provide pre-written code that can be easily integrated into a project, saving developers too. Python's flexibility also comes from its ability to work with other languages. It can be easily integrated with languages like C++ and Java, allowing developers to use Python for specific tasks alongside other languages for other parts of a project. Multiple library. Python's extensive library of modules and packages is one of its biggest strengths. These libraries provide pre-written code that can be easily integrated into a project, saving developers time and effort. 5. Embeddable. Python is embeddable, which means that it can be integrated into other programming languages and applications. This is useful for developers who want to add Python functionality to existing software or build custom applications with Python as a scripting language. For example, Python can be embedded into C++ applications using the Boost Python library, or into Java applications using Jython. This allows you to take advantage of Python's strengths while still using your preferred programming language. 6. Highly scalable. Python is scalable. It can handle large amounts of data and support distributed computing. Python's libraries and frameworks, including NumPy, Pandas, and PySpark, allow developers to process and analyze large datasets efficiently. Python's support for parallel processing and distributed computing through libraries like Dask and Apache Spark also allows for scalable data processing across multiple machines. This makes Python a popular choice for big data processing and machine learning applications. 7. Prototyping friendly. Python's simplicity and ease of use make it an ideal language for prototyping. Its syntax is concise and straightforward, making it easy to write code quickly and experiment with different ideas. Python's vast library of pre-built modules also makes it easy to incorporate existing code into their projects, saving time and effort.